Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Students, today in unit 3 we are going to learn about the grammar part. Prefixes, suffixes and degrees of comparison. Okay students, let's begin. Prefixes and suffixes we have already learned in our earlier classes, right? What is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters that we add at the beginning of a word. Prefixes change the meaning of the word they are added to. Okay students? Here are few commonly used prefixes are there. Let's see. With the meaning are here. Prefix re, re. The meaning of it is again. Example for it, rewrite. Un means not. For that we have here example unkind. Pre, the meaning of pre is before. Example for it we have pre-made. Dis, meaning of dis is not or opposite of. Example for it, dishonest. Next one, im. Im means not or opposite of. Impolite is the example for it. Next we have not. Prefix non. N-O-N, non. Meaning of it is not. Example, nonsense. Here we have last prefix, mis. Meaning of it, wrong or bad. Example for it, misbehave. Let's see some more examples of prefixes. Okay students, let's see. The prefix re, R-E. This prefix means to do something again. Example, fill. Refill. So refill means to fill again. Okay. To fill we are adding re prefix. Next one, the prefix un, un. This prefix means not. Example, kind, unkind. We are adding un. So unkind means not kind. Next prefix, mis. This prefix means wrong or incorrect. Example for it, print, misprint. So misprint means a mistake or error in print. Okay students? Next we have suffix. What is a suffix? A suffix is a group of letters that we add at the end of a word. Suffixes change the meaning of the word they are added to. Same as a prefix. Prefix we are adding at the starting of the word. But suffix we are adding at the end of a word. Okay? Let's see. Let's see some examples of suffixes. The suffix full. This suffix means full of. Example for it, color, colorful. So colorful means full of colors. Next one, the suffix er. This suffix means the person who. Example for it, drive, driver. So driver means the person who drives, right? Next suffix, less. This suffix means without. Less means without. Example for it, hope, hopeless. So hopeless means without hope. So these are the examples of suffixes. Okay students, so Did you understand what prefixes and suffixes are? Right? Okay. Next, students, let us learn about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Okay, students, as you all know, adjectives are describing words. They tell more about nouns. Right, students? An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Let's see about the first one. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Right, students? Let's see an example. She has a big house. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare 2 objects, people, or places. For example, her house is bigger than my house. Next, we have the superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than 2 objects, people, or places. For example, her house is the biggest of all. In order to form comparative and superlative degree of adjective, remember the following rules. We add er and est to 1 or 2 syllable words that end in consonants. See here, students, syllable. Syllable is a part of word where we break the word to pronounce it. Right? For example, teacher. How we break this word? Teach and er as a teach, teacher. It helps in correct pronunciation and remembering the spellings. Okay, students? For example, dull, duller, dullest. When the adjective of positive degree ends in E, we add only R and ST to the adjective. Let's see the example. Large, larger, largest. IER and IEST. For example, lucky, luckier, luckiest. When the positive is a word of 1 syllable that ends in vowel plus consonants, means consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. Like, for example, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, students? When the positive degree is long, that is, it is a word of 2 or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. For example, attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Okay, students? There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. For example, good, better, best.
we use than after a comparative degree and use the before a superlative degree. For example, Mohan is shorter than Ricky. It's a comparative degree. One more example. Falguni is the shortest girl in her class. Okay, students?
Hope you have understood about prefixes and suffixes, degrees of comparison, students. Let's stop here. We will discuss more about this in a live session. Till then, thank you and Allah.